All right, listen up. If you're trading Bitcoin without looking at NVT, you're basically flying blind. Most traders are missing out because they don't understand how to actually value Bitcoin. The network value to transactions ratio, or NVT, is one of the most powerful indicators in crypto. It's like an X-ray machine for the blockchain, exposing when Bitcoin is truly overvalued or an absolute steal. And guess what? Smart money has been using it for years while retail traders chase meme coins and random technical indicators. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how NVT has predicted major Bitcoin crashes and insane bull runs before they happened. And if you're not using it, well, let's just say, good luck out there. So what is NVT and why should you care? Let's keep it simple. NVT is basically the PE ratio of Bitcoin. It measures how Bitcoin's market cap stacks up against its transaction volume. In plain English, if NVT is too high, Bitcoin might be overpriced, like a stock with a ridiculous PE ratio. Translation, crash is incoming. If NVT is low, Bitcoin is undervalued, meaning it's a buying opportunity before the next big move. It's calculated as market cap divided by transaction volume, but don't worry about the math. The key takeaway here is that price alone doesn't tell the full story. You have to look at on-chain activity, and NVT does exactly that. The core NVT signal is simple. When NVT is high, the market is overheated. Expect a correction. When NVT is low, Bitcoin is cheap, and that's when the big upside potential kicks in. Here's where it gets juicy. Most traders obsess over RSI and MACD and all of these traditional indicators, but those are just tracking price action. NVT tracks network activity, the real fundamentals. Whales, they watch NVT. Retail traders, they ignore it. Let's give credit where it's due. Willy Woo and Dmitry Kalichkin pioneered NVT as a way to decode Bitcoin's real value. Why? Because old school Wall Street models don't work in crypto. You can't just apply stock valuation techniques to decentralized assets. Ever wonder why traditional analysts keep getting Bitcoin so wrong? They're stuck using outdated metrics while the smart money is using on-chain data like NVT to predict market moves before they happen. Let's look at the receipts. In the 2017 bull run, NVT went insanely high before Bitcoin topped at 20,000. Smart traders sold. Retail held and got wrecked. 2021 crash, same story. NVT signaled Bitcoin was massively overvalued before it plunged from 60,000 to 30,000. But hey, retail traders kept buying the top. Are you seeing the pattern here? Now look, I get it. You hear about an indicator and you want to use it for everything. But if you treat NVT like a magic bullet, you're going to get wrecked too. Here's what not to do. Don't day trade with NVT. It's a macro tool, not a short-term indicator. Don't panic sell every time NVT spikes. Context matters. Check macro trends. And make sure to watch for manipulation because fake transaction volume can distort the numbers. Here's how the real players use NVT. They combine it with active addresses, coin dormancy, and whale movements to get a full picture. They track NVT trends, not just isolated spikes, to spot accumulation zones. They front-run market sentiment by buying low NFT dips before the herd catches on. That's how you play the game at the highest level. You want to track NVT? Here's your game plan. Go to platforms like Glassnode, look into Bitcoin or Crypto Quant. Check historical NVT trends. Look at past highs and lows. Overlay NVT with price action. Notice how NVT extremes align with market tops and bottoms. Set alerts for extreme readings. High NVT, time to be cautious. Low NVT, opportunity is knocking. This is how you get ahead. Now let's keep it real. NVT isn't perfect. There's no guarantees in crypto. Sometimes transaction volume is low during bear markets, making NVT artificially high. Other times, stablecoin movements mess with the data. That's why smart traders never rely on just one metric. They stack NVT with other indicators to get a complete picture. All right, folks, now you know the truth. NVT is one of the most powerful tools in crypto, but most people ignore it. The question is, will you? Or will you keep chasing random price action while whales quietly front run the market? If you're serious about making real money in crypto, start tracking NVT today. Let me know in the comments, are you already using NVT or are you just hearing about it right now? And if you want more deep dives like this, hit that like button and subscribe right here to Crypto Tips.